Okay, students, we'll just begin with the next subtopic, that is methods, what we have to calculate it, okay, or we have to solve the problems on this. You have three methods of calculating or solving, analysis and interpret financial statement. Which are those three methods? We call it as, first one as comparative financial statement, okay, under that income and balance sheet, another common size, under that income and balance sheet, trend analysis, income and balance sheet. Clear? Now income statement and balance sheet, okay, statement format remains same, only the columns will go on changing. Clear? You have three methods, and out of that this 2 is appropriately to come for 15 marks. Okay, it might come for a case study also. Clear? So be very specific when you are solving and be understandable to what is the format. We will go through the format and I'll let you know how to analyze this. Okay, just a second. Okay, the format of income statement goes like this way. Now very important, I repeat, only the columns will go on changing of the format. Okay, the particulars will remain as it is for all the methods. Clear? Now what is the first one? Continuing operations. From that, whatever revenue is generated and other income, clubbing this, a company will get total revenue, that is numbers or a note 1 and 2. Need not worry about this. Okay, the second option comes to what? Okay, expenses. Expenses, under that the first one is what? Cost of sales. Under cost of sales you will find, okay, cost of materials consumed. Clear? Then next one is what? Purchases of stock in trade. All are these expenses, so these all will come under expenses. Changes in inventories, okay, that is closing stock minus opening stock. Employee benefit cost, okay. The next one is finance cost. If there is any interest cost, okay, given, that is called as what? Finance cost. Any interest paid, okay, that is what? Finance cost. Depreciation and amortization. Amortization is kind of depreciation itself. The next one is other expenses. All the expenses should be total and we will get what? Profit before exceptional items and tax. If there are any exceptional items, okay, we have to less it and then we will get profit before extraordinary items and tax. If there is anything extraordinary, we have to less it and we will get what now? Profit before tax, and then we have to less tax, okay, we will get profit after tax. So this till over here, PAT, profit after tax, is very important for you. This becomes your income statement. Clear? Thank you. We'll go for the next video for your balance sheet.